Today we're gonna learn the great starting point to get Git and to get some information like docs about Git. So our plan for today is explore a great website called gitscm.com, then to see how to get online documentation, and finally we'll find the great book about Git called ProGit that you can download and read absolutely free. So let's jump in and start exploring Git. So the great starting point is the website gitscm.com. Right now it's opened in my Chrome. So here the biggest thing that you will see after the description is latest source release. It's 2.5.0 and the huge button download for Mac. So if I click it, it will bring me to download page, allow me to get the not the most recent, but close to the most recent packaged version for Mac, an installer that is super easy to set up on your environment. If you will be on Windows, it will say downloads for Windows. So this thing just detected that I'm on Mac, so it proposes me to get the version that is right for my OS. It's not only for Mac, of course. So we'll do the installer part in later parts of this video, so we'll skip this for now. But that's a place to get your distribution, right? So the other great part is the tab called documentation. If you open it up in the browser, let's go there. So you'll see a couple of cheat sheets here, a great starting point. If you forgot something, you just need to quickly remember some command, great place to peek at. And finally, the reference. This is the list of all Git commands. Don't be intimidated, we will not really use all these commands in your day-to-day life, but it's just important and good to know that they are there. So if you forgot something about command, if you forgot about syntax, or you don't really remember what the flag will do, if you're in doubt, you can just jump in here and read these docs. It is worth mentioning that it is not the only source of documentation. Absolutely the same docs will be available together with your Git package. So you will be able to trigger the help if you don't even have the internet. But often browser is something that you can just quickly open, navigate to, and read, let's say, about config command. Let's open it up. Yep, a bunch of options together with quite detailed description of which option does what, right? So let's jump back to the website and see our third part of our plan, which is ProGit book. So ProGit is a free to read and download as ebook, as it's a free book, although you can buy a version from Amazon.com to support the author. This book is just fantastic. Myself, I started to learn Git from reading this book. So if you go to the books page, you can just start reading online or download the version that you like for your computer or for Kindle, for whatever reader that you use. So once again, if you have some spare time, if you want good bedtime reading for Git, this is a great place to get a little bit extra information. Although in this course you will get most of the info that you need to handle even tough Git situation, not even speaking about the basic ones. So now you know how to get the installer. Let's repeat it quickly. Here, downloads page, right? You know how to find the documentation. It's on documentation, and here in the left part of menu, it's reference. If you click it, you'll be brought right here to read about all possible options and configurations. And finally, you know how to get a ProGit book if you want some extra reading. In next videos, we'll learn how to deal with the installer and how to install Git on the different system, but this website is a great place to start with if you're about to learn Git. So we fulfilled our plan. Let's see you in the next videos. See you then. Bye.